Building blocks of success in your first job. Number 1, foster the right attitudes. Humility, readiness to learn, readiness for change, respect, confidence, open-mindedness, long-term perspective, work ethic, and positive attitude. Number 2, realistic and flexible expectations. Number 3, cultivate breaking in skills. New hires are outsiders until they prove otherwise. New hires are unable to change the system until they become a part of it. For new hires, admitting what they don't know is more important than showing with what they know. For new hires, conformance may be more important than individuality. Newcomers have to build a track record. Number 4, learn impression management skills. Number 5, build effective relationships. New hires must search for opportunities of building good working relationships. New hires must learn to understand what good working relationship is. New hires must look for opportunities to develop good communication and relationship building skills. New hires must learn how to network. Number 6, learn to become good followers. As new hires, be vigilant enough for opportunities to showcase your talents. And look for opportunities wherein you will get the necessary training. Set your tone for the first year. Learn to shape the organization's opinion and evaluation of you. Determine any advancement beyond the entry position, and socialize and adapt to the organization's culture. Number 7, understand your new organizational culture. Letter A, the mission and guiding philosophies of the organization. Letter B, basic values, norms, and behavioral expectations. Letter C, the work ethic. Letter D, what gets rewarded. Letter E, social norms. Letter F, management philosophies. Letter G, ethical standards. Letter H, sacred beliefs and events. Letter I, the general atmosphere and attitudes of employees. And letter J, communication norms. Number 8, adapt to the organizational system. Number 9, understand your role as a new employee. Number 10, develop work smarts. A, applying knowledge, and B, developing professional skills. Number 11, master the task of your job. Letter A, accept challenging work. Letter B, learn the basic task of your job. And lastly, learn to acquire the necessary knowledge, skills, and abilities. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment.